How to delete page on Facebook. Start by opening your Facebook on your computer and head over to the page you want to delete. Now that you're on your page, look for your profile picture or the page's profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a few options. Click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking Settings and Privacy, another menu will appear. Click on Settings from this menu. Scroll down through the settings until you find a section labeled Access and Control. Click on it. Within Access and Control, you'll find an option labeled Delete Page. Click on this option, then click on Continue to confirm. If you want to keep a copy of your page's information before deletion, you can choose to download it or transfer it to another platform. Just follow the on-screen instructions for these options. Click on Continue once you're done. To finalize the deletion process, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. Type it into the provided text box and click on Continue. Once you've entered your password, Facebook will ask for one final confirmation that you want to delete your page. Click on Continue to proceed. Thanks for following along. Deleting a page on Facebook is simple when you know the steps. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need it too. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.